Welcome to Smart Study CSS 2026 Current Affairs Key Focus Areas. Pakistan Political Landscape, Civil Military Relations, Judiciary versus Executive Clashes, 2024 General Elections and Aftermath, Political Instability and Governance Challenges, Electoral Reforms and Democratic Backsliding. Pakistan's economy, IMF bailout and reforms, inflation, unemployment and currency devaluation, circular debt crisis, energy and power, digital economy and startups in Pakistan, CPEC Phase 2 and special economic zones, foreign policy and strategic relations, Pakistan-China relations, especially CPEC regional ties, Pakistan-US relations post-Afghan withdrawal, IMF, India-Pakistan tensions, Kashmir trade, LOC, Pakistan and OIC, Muslim world, foreign policy shift, geo-economic or still geostrategic. International affairs, Russia-Ukraine war, global impact and Pakistan stance, US-China rivalry and impact on Asia-Pacific, Israel-Palestine conflict, especially 2024 Gaza events and recent war of Israel and Iran, global climate diplomacy, COP28 outcomes, rise of multipolar world order, BRICS expansion, SCO. Security and geostrategy, Afghan Taliban and Pakistan security concerns, TTB resurgence and border security, Balochistan insurgency, cyber security and hybrid warfare, water security and strategic importance of Indus Basin, climate change and environment, Pakistan vulnerability, floods, heat waves, global climate justice debates, COP28 takeaways for Pakistan, renewable energy transition in Pakistan, science, technology and society, AI and governance in Pakistan, social media regulation and digital rights, education reforms, single national curriculum, digital divide, youth bulge, brain drain and tech skills gap, human rights, society and global movements, women rights and Aurat March controversies, minorities in Pakistan and blasphemy law debates, Islamophobia, globally UN resolution on Islamophobia, migration crisis, Rohingya, Syrian refugees, etc. Sources to follow: Weekly Dawn, Yellow Pages, Sunday Dawn, Editorials, Pages 6 Daily, Foreign Policy Magazine, Al Jazeera, TRT World, Diplomat for IR, State of Pakistan Economy Reports, SBP, IMF. How to prepare: make notes by topic, note by date. Use quotations, facts and reports. Practice answer writing, especially analytical style. Follow a weekly plan, 2 to 3 articles, revise monthly. Thank you.